What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with a medium skin fade man bun on top. I'm excited. The other side of the haircut has already been taken care of. I'm just gonna fade this side, line them up nice and crispy. Let's go. I'm recording this haircut at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. I'm a full-time barber instructor. If you see me doing a little back and forth, please forgive me. I'm at work recording this video. Hello, sir. Please take a seat. We'll be right with you. I'm using my Indie Slimline, not Slimline, T outline, the cordless T outline, I'm sorry. The Slimline is my favorite. I cannot get this thing out of my head. Right. Boom. I'm sure you guys are already familiar with my tools. This is my finale, made by Wall. I'm balling out. This machine is a beast.
All right, boss man.
Yes, sir. Will you be needing change?
How much is it?
13 bucks. Nice and easy. Yeah, put it under the counter. All right, thanks a lot, okay?
Yeah.
I appreciate you stopping by. You're looking good. Emmanuel, don't forget to document your haircut. All right. I'm gonna make this haircut tutorial quick and simple. I'm gonna be using the usual steps. If you see me having side conversation while I'm doing this recording here, I am at work. I'm on the job recording. Thank God I don't work for no other man but this man, my man, I'm the man, so I don't have anything to worry about. I cannot get fired. No way. Okay, this is my first guideline, which is the OA, as usual. OA guideline. I'm not supposed to be recording today. It's not even my recording day. I recorded this morning, but I can't stop. I am absolutely obsessed with recording. I bought one of those very expensive cameras, and I spent thousands of dollars on this camera. I had to have my money worth. Okay, I just put down my 000, my OA. This is my 000. At an angle, as usual. Now them has been doing the same thing over and over and over. We're looking good. This video is going to be quick. Bear with me. That's a 50 behind the 000. Let me get a closest shot. Bingo. I'm gonna put you guys right on the line. Hello, sir. Please take a seat. We'll be right with you. I put down the 50. Now I'm coming back with my T outliner to work out that line that was created with the shaver. I gotta get this line out of there. It's no big deal at all. Once again, y'all, if you see me having any side conversation other than this video, it's pretty much going on with this video. I am at work recording on the job. There's a lot going on. It's Tuesday afternoon, going to be 4 o'clock. Actually, it's 4:19 p.m. May 7th, 2019. Behind the T-outliner, I go back over the line one more time, very lightly, to knock it off. The universal rule is whatever you clear the line with, you remove the line with it. So I'm just going by the rules. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat my first guideline one more time to make sure everything is nice and crispy, and I move on. This is the OA. Then the 000 behind it. Then the 50. I'm going to do a little bit more of the 000 on the spot right about here. And I'm satisfied, I'm moving on. Now, this area of the haircut has already been cleared with the 1.5. I'm just going to do it one more time for visual purposes. Then the 1A behind the 1.5. I'm moving mighty fast because I'm pressing for time. Then the 1. The OA. And repeat, starting with the 1.5. One A. One. And OA very lightly. I don't need a whole lot of it. The OA. Okay. This is the second video I'm recording today. Okay, let's move on to the lining. I'm going to be using my ND Slimline Pro, as you already know. By the way, I want to thank you guys for watching. All of those who subscribe, comment, like, and share, I appreciate that. The channel is growing. Barber Illuminati. Okay. As you already know, I start in the center of the hairline. Boom. I very much do the same thing over and over. Bear with me. Here we go. Back a little. There we go. Boom. Here we go. Slimline Pro. In the center. And straight across. Hopefully I'm not blocking my own view. Here we go. Center of the hairline. Straight across. As straight as possible. I'm trying to minimize curves here. Wherever there's curves, it's our job as barbers to minimize it in the hairline. You see? Plain and simple. Nice and sharp. I think we have a little too much light here. I'm gonna darken stuff up a little bit. Too much light, there we go. A little darker. Now it's a little darker, there we go. You can see better now. There we go. Boom. Okay. Now on to the other side. I'm very much gonna do the same thing I did on the other side. Back to the center, straight across. Boom, we're back. Boom. Now, I'm still in front of the customer and making sure everything is well balanced all across. This side needs a little bit more adjustment. I will do that. Boom. That's it. Nice and fresh. All right. This is the portion of the haircut I wanted to record. Once again, this channel is the all detachable blade channel. Some parts of the haircut, just for time's sake, I will leave it out. This is very much what you need to know from this channel about the fitting technique. I did just that. Just for time, just to save time, some parts of the haircut. I will be cutting the top. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time to record that. I have a lot in my hands right now, but I just thought that I would capture a portion of this haircut just for you guys. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, whatever you have to do to stay in touch with the Barber Illuminati. I'm going to do a quick spin, then we're going to shut it down. There we go. I'm going to spin one more time. Look at this. Oh my God. As you can see, I'm working the camera by myself. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, that's enough. All right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Good night.